1994 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 extended cab 4x4 here at Unique Specialty and Classics. Actually a 3-owner truck, clean Carfax. First owner had it for 29 years between Iowa and Nevada. No accidents indicated. Actual miles 67,439 on the odometer at the moment. Victory red with the gray interior. 5.7 liter underneath the hood. Paired up with an automatic with overdrive, transmission, power steering, power brakes, AC. Technicians said compressor kicks on and off. AC does not blow cold, FYI. All the still pictures, they can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. So we get a good look at that front grille, chrome in the bumper. Bug shield already installed. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. Of course, you can call us, 507-386-1726. Riding on the factory wheels. Radial tires. Tires are dated 2019. Plenty of tread left in them. Let's take a look down this passenger side. You can see the paint's not full of major nicks, dings, or scratches. There's some imperfections here or there, maybe a scuff. It's a 94. Paint shows well considering age, miles. Nice shine to it. Interior's a very nice shape. Bucket seats up front. Center console. Fold down armrest at each chair. We'll get around to the driver's side. Check that out a little closer. You'll be able to see the rear seat and the still pictures. Interior from every angle. Looks like a Safari topper by Unicover. I believe they were considered Safari Series by Unicover. If you notice the chrome rockers down below, there is an actual extra set of those that will be going along with this for drivers and passenger side in that box. Still in the wrapper. Full-size spare tire and a little cardboard bed mat that had been thrown in it. Let's take a look at the chrome in the rear bumper. Of course, receiver hitch wiring. Topper's composed of fiberglass. Once again, all those still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. A couple other notes from the tech. Brakes are 70% in the front, 75% in the rear. Minor seeps, nothing out of the ordinary, again, for a truck that's driven. Slight play in the pitman arm. Let's take a look down this driver's side. Again, you can see it's free of any major nicks, dings, or scratches. Again, spent much of its life in Arizona. An actual mile truck, 67,439 at the moment. If you like these Chevy trucks, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. We get a lot of them through here. You never know what you may see when the videos are uploaded, and that's done daily. Vehicles in the videos are available to purchase. Power windows, power locks. This does have a power seat over here in the driver's side also. That is in working order. Switch, of course, is right down in the front. See it going back there, not real fast, but it is working order. You can see no rips, tears, holes in the fabric. Seating surface is nice shape. Tilt column, cruise control, AM FM cassette player. Let's fire up the 5.7 liter. Check out this dash. Alright, so there's stereo working. Turn that off a second. There's your exact mile, 67,439. Like tack is working. Rest of the gauge cluster. Dash, look at this. No cracks, fading, discoloration. If I turn the power on, you're going to see that equalizer come on there also. All of that working. Head unit. Headliner good shape. Door closes nicely. And it sounds like a stock 94 Chevy with a 5.7 in it. I'm going to slip up to the front. Let's get this hood popped, take a peek at that engine bay, and stick around to the very end of this video. Jason will take this truck for a drive, show you how it goes down the road, take you for a virtual ride, if you will. There's a look at the hood liner. Under hood light working. Here it is. Once again, 5.7. Looks like a newer upper radiator hose. Power steering, power brakes. It is equipped with AC. AC compressor kicks on and off. Tech noted. Not blowing cold. Battery disconnect for in between drives or when it's in storage. Pretty stock looking engine bay. '94 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 extended cab, clean Carfax, 3-owner, low mile. Number to call 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Check out all those still pics. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
A few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt,
gas it.
Welcome to Motorhood.
Today we're driving a 1994 Chevrolet Silverado. This is an extended cab with a very nice interior. This is an automatic on the column, which makes it easy to drive. We've got all the gauges that we need displayed. The oil pressure showing about 60 psi. The temperature is just coming up off of the bottom of the gauge, as it was a cold start not too long ago. Our battery's charging at 14 volts. Now the fuel gauge is reading over full. The tachometer and the speedometer are working as they should. Stereo also works as it should. Nice cloth bucket seats in this truck with center storage and cup holders. Smooth ride down the road. The horn works. Cruise control also works on this truck. Nice quiet ride. Brakes smoothly, doesn't pull to either side. That's always proper braking. Very good power steering. This era of truck did have very nice power steering. Corners nicely. It's quiet. I'm not hearing any noises out of the ordinary. This truck equipped with the equalizer. I have not tested cassette, but FM. That was working well. Take a look at all the pictures of this Chevrolet pickup truck at UniqueClassicCars.com.